Hello everyone, this is Shweta Shukla from Creations and Flavors. Today I received Fine Art Artist Grade acrylic colors which I ordered from Amazon. This pack contains free flat brushes, and I'm amazed to see the packaging, and this packaging is having 12 colors, 12 shades. Beautiful packaging, totally international standards, and the shades are lemon yellow, yellow ochre, deep yellow, scarlet red, crimson, burnt sienna, sap green, viridian, cobalt blue, Persian blue, titanium white, and black. And I did the testing whether the colors are opaque or transparent. So I found the pigments are very good, totally opaque. You just see the packaging. I'm really very happy to see the packaging. So I'm just going to do a very small project where I'm going to use all the techniques, popular techniques of acrylic painting, so that I can test the colors are good for blending or good for the detailing work. Let us see, let us start the project. So I'm taking out the colors. They are really very creamy. See the texture, very vibrant and creamy. Beautiful shades. I love the yellow ochre in this, and I fall in love with the scarlet as well. Very vibrant, totally pure red, beautiful scarlet red I found. And now I'm going to start with the project. So I am using Fine Art canvas pad, which is A3 size, and I'm just going to put the masking tape, and I'm just starting with the blending part. And see the smooth blending. I'm using yellow ochre and white for my background of the project. Very easy to merge, very easy to blend, and yellow ochre is looking very vibrant. You see many brands I have seen yellow ochre very muddy, but I am very happy with the shade of Fine Art, yellow ochre shade of Fine Art. So I'm just doing the background, and afterwards we will start with the foreground, where I will test some other techniques as well. And in this painting I'm going to use all the shades, 12 shades which are provided in the pack. So see the smooth blending, how easy it is, and in one go how can we do the backgrounds. I don't think so I need to go for another coat for the background. Very smooth blending. Here I am using Viridian green. See the beauty of green, very beautiful shade of green, Viridian green. And my background is completed, so I just sketch my bird, and I have started my coloring part, and I am going to use all the other shades in this bird. So first I will give the base coat to my bird, and then I will start with the detailing. So here I'm using the Persian blue color, which is really a beautiful color. The pigments are so bright and beautiful. Really I love them. I fall in love with the colors and with the brightness of the pigment and the way they merged with each other. So let me finish this project, and then I will show you how it looks. So the application of color is also very good because the base is very smooth, and see the brush movement, very easy to spread the color. And it's really very irritating if color is not spreading properly, because acrylic colors, they dry very fast, and if the quality of the color where we are unable to spread it properly, it's really very irritating. But here it's, see the how easily they are blending with each other, they are spreading properly because of the very smooth texture. I'm mixing cobalt blue with Persian blue, so see the vibrancy of cobalt blue also. We need to be little quick when we are working with acrylic colors, because of the drying time is very less, but I found that these colors takes little more time to get dry. So here we are getting more time to work with it, and that is one more beautiful feature of this color, because I'm working under the fan and I'm able to work without mixing any retarder to the color. Directly I'm working from the tube. So see how beautiful and vibrant the colors have come out. And very usually when we work with artist grade colors, we face little problem with the detailing part because of the brush movement, but here I found the colors are very good for detailing as well. And here is my complete project. So let us take out the tape and let us see how it is going to look. So I'm just removing the tape, and I use all the shades of this pack. See, that's why I have taken this project, so that I can use all the shade, because I wanted to check all the pigments, and I wanted to see whether the colors are good for detailing or not. So I selected this bird. See how beautiful it is coming up. I'm so excited to share this with you all. Sometimes it is really difficult to remove the masking tape, but no, it is coming out. Now here is the project. Tantana! I think you all like the project. I'm liking it, even I'm loving it. And I will recommend all my artist friends to try these colors. Fine Arts, they try to maintain the international standard of packaging as well as the pigments, the quality of the color. I'm very much happy, and it's a must try brand. So thank you so much to watch this.